Let's try something cool. How long have you known each other?
2-3 years.
Okay, so you have a good connection, right?
We left together before.
Yeah, we were roommates.
Really?
Yes.
Roommates or like roommates? Okay, all right. Let's try something with both of you. Let's try, let's see how the connection is strong, how strong it is. I'll be right here actually, and I'll start with you. I'm gonna go like this with the cards, and I want you to look at one card, but make sure it's on that one.
Yeah. Okay.
A bit too fast, right? Let's do it again. That one?
Yeah.
It's a red card, right?
No.
You sure?
Yeah.
All right, I want you to look at him in the eyes.
Yes.
All right? And try to transmit the card that you just on the deck.
Okay.
I think you got it. Go like this, and I want you to take one card. Go ahead. Yeah. Take it and place it against you. Make sure no one looks at it. There's only one person in the world that knows the card that you're thinking of right now, and it's you. For the first time, name your card out loud.
Set the pick?
7 of spades?
Yeah.
Thanks, man. Yes, that's great. You guys have a strong connection.